irresistibly delicious masala biscuits with just a scan in Wi-Fi enabled LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven by following these easy steps. Simply scan the QR code on your LG microwave oven and select masala biscuits from LG recipes in the LG ThinQ app. Follow the preparation method shown on the mobile screen. Here are the ingredients we will be needing for this recipe. First, sieve maida and baking powder together. Now cream the batter and sugar together. Add maida to the butter. Now add salt, chili powder and coriander powder and cream the mixture. Mix them well, adding a little water if required to form a soft dough. Press send button on the LG ThinQ app and press start. The preheat process begins. Roll out a dough and shape this into biscuits with the help of a biscuit cutter. Place these biscuits on a multi-cook tawa. When the microwave oven beeps, keep a multi-cook tawa on a low rack inside the microwave oven and press start. Satisfy your taste buds with irresistibly delicious masala biscuits made with LG Scan to Cook charcoal microwave oven. Follow these simple steps to operate the LG Scan to Cook microwave oven.